Good morning, my dear retirees friends. A lot of queries are there, and our many members are worried about the pension updation as well as the hearing in Supreme Court. They wanted to know various points. I clarify some of points as per my knowledge. That it was amended in 2003 our pension regulation, and it was said that basic pension and additional pension wherever applicable shall be updated as per the formulae given in appendix 1, that is it is as per regulation 35. Further, it was also agreed in the settlement that deadness relief shall be granted on basic pension or family pension or invalid pension or compensate allowance according to the rate as specified in appendix 2. And now we come to the original agreement dated 29th October 2000, 1993, that is 93. That the agreement says that DA relief to pensioners will be granted at such rate as may be determined from time to time in the line with the formula in operation in RBI. That is, the DA is to be given as per RBI, not as they settle in bipartite. Further, they say that the rules will be made on applicability of the qualifying service, amount of pension, method of pension payment, commutation, family pension, and updating pension and general conditions of the pension payment as in RBI. So it is very clear that our pension to be updated on RBI lines only. It is as per the agreement. And DFS has already said in RRB affidavit that banks have to honor the settlement dated 29th 1093. So we have to request the Supreme Court that our pension updation will happen as it has happened in Reserve Bank of India. This is my confirmed view, and there is no question of any doubt in it. So please be guided accordingly. Thank you very much. I think everything is clear now. Regards, R.K. Verma, Saharanpur.